Hi students, I welcome you all to the continuation video of lesson 4 working with paint video 2. So what did we learn in the earlier video? We learned about the usage of select tool and various moving options. So now we are going to see about drawing different pictures, flipping and zooming a picture. Let's get into the lesson. Drawing a different shapes. So earlier lesson in lesson 3, you all know how to use a polygon tool. So we learned about that which is in the shape group. Now we are going to see about various different shapes. So where you can see the shapes? In the home tab option in the shape groups, if you just click onto the shapes, there are various shapes like line, curve, polygon, circle, arrow, star, heart symbol and many symbol and so on. So how we will have to do? So different shapes is available using paint tool, ready-made shapes available in the shape group. Fine. Now, so how to give an outline to a shape? So if you wanted to, once when you are drawing a picture, how would we give an outline to it? First, select the shape whichever you wanted to draw and drag it and release it. The particular shape will be drawn. Okay, after which, first select it. After the selection, in near the shape group, there is an option called size. Click on to the size and you can see you click on to the option which is called outline option. Okay, click on outline. If you click on to it, if you want to draw any outline or you want a colored shape, oil shape or whatever kind of a thing, you can give it. If you don't need any outline, if you click on to the no outline, there won't be any outline to your picture. Next we come to the size, that is the thickness. If you want it lighter, darker, there are various different sizes which is available. You can click on to that various size option, choose the size of the outline whichever you wanted to, and that would be chosen. And if you also wanted to add a color to the outline, you can choose color 1 and you can choose whichever the color you want, and what will happen? The color for the outline will also appear. We are coming to flipping. Flipping means what? Rotating, turning the pictures. Horizontally or vertically. Horizontally means what? Straight or ulta. We call it as ulta pulta, right? Anyway, any side you wanted to. So, how we have to do this feature? Now look into the picture. 1. So tell what is the first step? Selection. First we need to select the picture. Correct. So next, in the options, you can see in select tool, next to it you have an option called in view tab. After selecting, you can go to the view. In the home tab itself, you have a option called rotate. If you click onto it, there is a various sub option which will appear. Right, that is rotate right 90, rotate to your left side 90 degrees, rotate to 180 degree, flip vertical, flip horizontal. Now if you just select the one, you can see onto my picture 2 here on the screen where I have selected an option vertically. What happened to the card? It became to the vertical picture selection. This is how you can flip your objects also. Come to the zooming. What is zooming? Zoom is an option where it is being used to increase or decreasing the view size of an object. So where we can see the zoom option? We can see the zoom option in the view tab. Exactly. Zooming can be done in 2 ways, which is zoom in and zoom out. First we'll see about zoom in. So to use the zoom in option, we need to click on zoom in option present in the view tab, which would increase the size of the original one. Okay. Zoom out, it will decrease, that is, it will shrink. Okay, where the view size of the view tab of the ribbon. And the next one is 100%. 100% means it will go back to its original shape for the zooming. So when you don't want it, you can just come out of it and can go to the home tab and do whatever the changes you want it to do. This is all about the now points at a glance. So we are going to see points at glance. So what all did we see in this lesson number 4, in video 1 and video 2 together? So what is paint? It is a graphic program where we can draw pictures and paint them with different colors. And what do you do? See in the select tool. Select tool and free from selection tool is used to select any object or part of it. So what are the shortcut key for cut? Control plus X, copy is Control plus C, and paste is Control plus V, respectively. Students here in our points class have given wrongly as why it is Control plus V. You all know the comments correctly, right? It's Control plus V. Now then, what did we see after it? So I'm sorry. So what is the shortcut cut copy paste for what we use these commands for? Moving an object. Very good. Next we saw about zoom. So what does zoom means? Increasing and decreasing, where we can see it in the view tab. So increasing and decreasing of the view size of an object. Then we saw different shapes. Where did we see? In the shape group. So we can select different shapes using the shape groups. So this is all about the paint lesson. Hope you have enjoyed it. Try doing it, students. Thank you. You all have a great day.